Hello, this is Mike Raj. I'm making this video for my herb production practicum class. In this video, I'll be talking about rosemary. Rosemary is the common name for a woody perennial herbaceous plant, Rosmarinus officinalis, characterized by fragrant, evergreen-like needles and tiny, clustered, light blue, violet, pink, or white flowers. The name also refers specifically to the aromatic leaves of this plant, which are used as a herb for seasoning various dishes and used in perfumes. A member of the mint family Lamiaceae, rosemary is native to the Mediterranean region. Rosemary is widely cultivated for culinary and medicinal use. It is known as herb of remembrance in European traditions. Greek scholars use rosemary to aid study, and young brides have traditionally carried a sprig of rosemary in wedding bouquets and wreaths. It has been exchanged as a symbol of loyalty between friends and tossed onto a loved one's grave. It can usually reach 4 feet 11 inches tall, rarely 6 feet 7 inches. It has a deep taproot and branching and scaly stalks. The leaves are evergreen, simple, sessile, and opposite, having 2 to 4 centimeters long and 2 to 5 millimeters broad. They tend to curl inward and they have woolly hair. The flowers appear in winter or spring and are variable in color, being white, pink, purple, or blue. The name rosemary has nothing to do with the rose or the name Mary, but derives from the Latin name Ros marinus, which literally means dew of the sea. The plant does grow wild on rocky, dry slope near sea. Other common names include polar plant, compass plant, and compass weed. Rosemary grows wild in the Mediterranean region where it is native. It can thrive on sandy or chalky soil in full sun. It does not tolerate strong frosts but does do well in most temperate areas. Since rosemary is attractive and tolerates some degrees of drought, it is also used in landscaping, especially in areas having a Mediterranean-like climate. It is considered easy to grow for beginning gardeners and is pest resistant. It's also used in topiary. There are numerous cultivars including Albus, Blue Boy, Golden Rain, etc. For culinary use, the fresh and dried leaves of rosemary are used frequently in traditional Mediterranean cuisine as a herb. Rosemary is extremely high in iron, calcium, and vitamin B6. Rosemary has been used medicinally for a long time. Hungarian water, an alcohol-based perfume involving distilled fresh rosemary, was traditionally believed to have been first prepared for the Queen of Hungary in the 14th century to renovate vitality of paralyzed limbs and to treat gout. Long used medicine in the West and called a sovereign balm by 17th century herbalist Nicholas Culpeper, it has been used as a circulatory stimulant, treatment of blood pressure problems, antimicrobial oil, diet stimulant, liver tonic, reduction of excessive menstrual flow, and is said to have cancer inhibiting effects. Rosemary contains a number of potential biologically active compounds and oils. Rosemary in culinary or therapeutic doses is generally safe. However, Precaution is necessary for those displaying allergic reaction or prone to elliptic, elliptic seizures, meaning fixes. So it's very dangerous if taken in large doses. Rosemary plant with flowers. This specimen was found in California. So you can see here it's more than 6 feet tall. Spices, rosemary dried. Nutrition facts. So it contains vitamin A, vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin. So it doesn't contain vitamin B12, and it contains some minerals as well. So vitamins and minerals and carbohydrate and fatty acids. Rosemary thrives in chalky or sandy soil in full sun. The herb grows wild on dry, rocky slopes near the sea. Name is derived from the Latin "dos marinus", meaning sea dew. In ancient Egypt, the herb was buried with the pharaohs. Rosemary was believed to have magical powers to banish evil spirits. It was buried in sick rooms as a disinfectant and was used to ward off the plague. Research has yielded promising results regarding the cancer-inhibiting effects of this antioxidant component of rosemary oil. In addition, rosemary is a circulatory stimulant. It has also been shown to increase coronary blood flow, meaning the blood flow to the heart itself, and is useful in treatment of blood pressure problems. The essential oil of rosemary has potential antimicrobial effects. So it's rich in iron, calcium, vitamin B6. It is in fact more nutrient rich in its dry form than fresh rosemary across the board. So it's much more nutrient and it's dried than when it has water in it. So it can be used for topiary, meaning it can be used to shape, and there are different cultivars. Hungary water was first invented for Queen of Hungary to renovate vitality of paralyzed limbs. Rosemary has a very old reputation for improving memory and has been used as a symbol for remembrance during weddings, war, commemorations, and funerals in Europe, probably as a result of this reputation. Mourners would throw it into grave as symbol of remembrance for the dead. And there's also a warning: avoid consuming large quantities of rosemary if pregnant or breastfeeding. The flower of rosemary and rosemary bush. I hope you learned something new about rosemary herb, and thanks for watching my video. Bye.